right now. Back to the location. I'm sorry. Okay. When I simulate, you need to see the activation and then see the peak to peak amplitude. หมออยู่ตรงนู้นค่ะ
So when I say tangential, let's see.
น้องเป้ขอบคุณมากเลย
เรียบร้อยแล้ว
ได้
So here, see this when I done him. Right? So now we are looking at from the top view, right? This is vertex, okay? Yeah. And then when she placed the coil like this, you are mesh. So you 1, 2, 3, 4, right? About and then 1, 2, 3, okay? So you place the coil. You see this is 45 degree. Here 40. This is vertical line, okay? So this is 45 degrees. So she need to place a coil here, figure of 8 coil like this. You need to have the tail here. So I mentioned this morning, one of the factor is the direction of this coil. If you flip, you're gonna see a different thing because it change the current, the flow. Okay, so you need to be tangential, meaning no tilt. Tangent mean you need to the hot spot of the coil firmly connect or contact on the surface, tightly contact. Maybe a little pressure, not light. You need to feel something. Okay, you fall into sleep. See that? Okay, and here 45 degree. Okay, all right. Okay, good. Okay, thank you.
Mình cần đứng trước đúng không?
Đâu đứng sau chưa?
อะไรหนาว
Sao ấy?
พูดอะไร
Sao?
For accessor, the position of accessor is behind is better than before. Sometimes I see in my department the accessor
Assessor.
panel
Here?
is here. That's why it's very important to put the tail is behind and the degree of the vertical.
Yeah, this is
fine.
critical. And also, like me, I'm very short. I need a ladder or a step to stand. Otherwise, you have pain in your shoulder. Boo boo. You need some like me. Because Adanham she's tall, so it's fine. Because you need to hold this for quite a while, okay, to find a hot spot. So what is a hot spot?
Hotspot is a local area.
Now he's awake. Hot spot is a location, right, where you find the maximum response of this particular muscle. So which muscle are we measuring?
Big tensor.
Okay, good. All right. You're good. Maybe tomorrow no quiz. I'm thinking. So, okay, good. You see, what are we measuring right now? What is TMS parameter that we are seeing right now from this morning? Okay, now I'm making decision whether I'm going to give you a quiz or not. What is parameter right now?
peak to peak
Peak to peak amplitude of what?
Motor threshold.
Is it motor threshold? Are we looking at motor threshold? No, we are looking at motor evolved potential. Okay, so be careful. Motor evolved potential is the unit here is microvolt or millivolt, right? But when we talk about motor threshold, we talk about intensity. We talk about percent of maximum output. So totally different unit.
Okay.
You with me? So peak to peak amplitude is microvolt or millivolt, whatever, or volt. You can change, depends on what you want to measure. Okay, here. Okay, okay.
Yeah, the peak to peak amplitude is here. Please. Okay. The lowest and the highest is the peak to peak amplitude. and you would like to know about the reference that you gonna select. Here is 100 microvolt. That means between this point and this point equal to 100 microvolt. Yeah. For the x axis, it gonna show about the duration. Right now it's 200 milliseconds. That means between this point and this point here. So it helps you to clarify about the motor threshold, right? Because the definition of the motor threshold, we need the greater than 50 microvolt, right? So if you know about the distance, if the peak-to-peak is show the higher than the distance, it part the definition, right? Yeah, so that's why we need to know about the reference. Okay, let's try to see the hotspot.
So when we find hotspot, you need to be sure that it is a spot, a location where it gives maximum response. So then we need to try maybe a couple of times to see whether peak to peak is consistently what we are seeing or not. Okay. Give it that. And you see the switch? Yeah, so we see, so how could we be sure? One is we see consistently big response, okay? And we also see the contraction of the muscle, extensor muscle.